Hi everyone, I am Rima Chaudhary. Now we can see how can take full page screenshot of our website. So first open our browser and search here Fireshot add-on for Firefox. Okay, we just get a search result on first. We just click this link. Okay, here is a add-ons like full web page screenshot, so we can download it on and set our Firefox. So add to Firefox, click here and install. Okay, restart our Firefox browser. Okay, restart our browser, and I just go to my website. Okay, this is my website and I want to full page screenshot take, so click this icon and save here and desktop and type here the name of this screenshot like web page and enter. Okay, it is my website screenshot. This is full page. Okay, thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe and share my video for get more videos. Thank you, bye bye.